You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got more Jordan 1s. Here they are, the black and white Jordan 1s. Can't wait to dive into it, but before we do, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery out there in Daly City. If you're ever in the area, make sure you stop by their store and get you all your Nikes and Jordans over there. They're dropping new shoes weekly. For their drops, they're doing first come, first serve. They're bringing that feeling back. It's a great way for you to meet other people within the sneaker community. You can meet some friends that could, help you get a pair. Make sure you stop by at 1985 Gallery if you're ever in the San Francisco, Daly City area. Shout out to those guys for letting us get an early look at the Jordan 1 right here. This is the black and white Jordan 1 in the 85 high cut. These were designed by Peter Moore. This is a 1985 colorway as well. Black and white, came out in 85 along with the Chicagos, Breds, Royals, neutral grays, all the classics. I really love the 85 cut. It's more durable, heavier, more premium leather than the other Jordan 1s. In hand, compared to like a Lost and Found, it just feels more durable, more sturdy. Feels like a tank, similar to my 1985 Jordan 1s that we previously reviewed. Starting here at the tongue, you have a nylon tongue with the Nike swoosh right here on the top. You have black laces. It does come with an extra set of white laces. You have premium leather down here on the toe box in white, and you got the perforated holes. You got black leather overlays. On the side panel of the shoes, you have black swooshes. And for the Wings logo, it's embossed in white, Air Jordan with the black text. And on the back of the heel cup, more leather overlays right here. And taking us down to the midsole, that classic Jordan 1 midsole. Can't go wrong, white, black. It's a Jordan 1, not much needs to be said. Everybody loves Jordan 1s. I really feel like the 85 cut is the closest to the OGs. It's a true high. I wish the Lost and Founds came out like this. Hopefully they will do a Chicago colorway down the line. Hopefully they do a Royal like this. The ones that they've dropped previously were the neutral grays. They did red and white colorway that released, and they also did the Georgetown Hoya colorway. And as far as sizing goes, I go true to size in the Jordan 1. 9.5. As far as pricing goes, these retail for $200, and it's kind of standard nowadays for a Jordan 1 or for any Jordan. Can't really beat it. They are gonna have a little resale value there because it's just a quality Jordan 1, it's an original colorway. I would suggest trying to get them at retail if you really want them. Resell, it's gonna go up a little bit. Down the line, these will probably go up there. Same prices like the neutral grays, 400s, 500s, depending on size. As far as comfort goes, you already kind of know what to expect with the Jordan 1. If you don't, they are a little flat. There's not a lot of cushion there. There's not a lot of comfort, but it'll do the job for the day. Just wouldn't suggest doing a lot of walking or strenuous exercise in a Jordan 1. It's pretty flat. This was the tech back in 1985. People were calling these the Panda Jordan 1, but it's not. It's just a black and white Jordan 1, an original color from 1985. And it's black and white. You can't go wrong. These are easy to style. You can wear it with jeans, chinos, technical pants, slacks, all that good stuff. You can even wear it with a Wheaties jacket, a Jordan Wheaties jacket, which brings me to the release date of this shoe. You can pick these up on Wednesday, February 15th at 1985 Gallery, first come, first serve. And then you can get yourself the Jordan Wheaties jacket on Thursday, February 16th, the Breakfast of Champions. Get yourself fresh right before All-Star Weekend. You know what I'm saying? You have options. So just real quick, if you guys can't get a glimpse of the jacket, Wheaties, man, eat your cereal. Are you looking forward to this drop? Are you gonna pick these up? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and try these on.
To be put on. I went and got it on my own, that's for sure, dawg. Might pull up on ATVs, then hit the trail in ACGs, cause we outside. Never asked to be put on. I went and got it on my own, that's for sure, dawg. Might pull up on ATVs, then hit the trail in ACGs, cause we outside. Ready for all conditions, I'm outside with it. I might go fishing, no I do not hold feelings. I go off-road if the road missing. You know that the flow different. Shooting shots while all these hoes goaltending. I might go swimming if the girls are skinny dipping. I'm not balling on them, but
if you enjoyed this review on the Jordan 1s, make sure you check out our other Jordan reviews right here. Got a bunch of them.